First thing we want to do is remove our fill cap. This will help the transmission vent properly when draining the oil. After that, using a 14mm socket, we'll remove the drain bolt and let the oil drain completely. As the oil is draining, now is the time to check the condition of the crush washer. If it's damaged or missing, you want to replace it to prevent any future leaks. Also check the side of the case, make sure it's not stuck to it. Once we've done that, we'll thread the bolt back in place and torque this to 14 foot-pounds. Now it's time to fill the case with oil. Polaris recommends using their brand, which is an AGL. It's a fully synthetic transmission fluid, and it holds 11.8 ounces, right at 12. You'll know it's filled when the oil level begins to seep out of the fill port. Now all we got to do is clean the area off with a rag, reinstall our fill cap, and I'll usually like to spray it off with some contact cleaner because this process can be pretty messy. Once we've done that, it's time to hit the trails.